Hi, my name is Ninad, and I am a SharePoint SPFX developer with more than 12 years of experience. And today, I just want to see what AI is and what it is all about. So, everyone is talking about how AI will replace coders, but nobody is showing you how fast it actually is. So, today, I'm going to build a fully functional Spotify clone in less than 5 minutes using Bolt.new. Watch this. So if you go to this site, bolt.new, you come up to this interface, okay? And let's see. So this is the Bolt new, unlike ChatGPT, which just gives you the text. Bolt actually runs the code in the browser. I think it's a full stack environment. So let's try this, okay? So what we will do is first, what we'll do is we'll just copy that text I have written. You can pause the video, and you can see what exactly I have written. So I'm pasting in single prompt. I'm asking for a Spotify clone with dark theme, sidebar, and player bar. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's hit build now. Okay, it's asking me to sign with the Google. Let me first sign it. Sign in with my continue. Okay, and here we are back again. Okay, okay, so it has started thinking. Let's give some more couple of minutes. Yep, I think it actually is going to create a nice Spotify clone by the look of it. Okay, let me get back to you once the app is ready. Okay, it's actually creating. Let's see. Okay, it is also creating the database, setting up schema for the database for song and playlist. This looks promising. Okay, creating in React all the component files you can see. Running build to verify project compiles. Okay, this looks nice. I'm hoping for the perfect application. Not so perfect, but yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. Boom. Guys, see, they have actually developed a complete Spotify clone. Wow. I can't. The UI is stunning. The UI is actually really good. If anything happens, no, nothing happens. Okay, all the buttons are static right now. Okay, so this is the preview button and this is the code button. Oh wow, this is the schema button. Database sounds. Oh, this looks nice. The code, how all the components, sidebar component, main content components. As a developer in React, I can say with the confidence that I think AI is better than us. Use effect and all. This looks good. The render method, layer bar. Okay, they have added shuffle component, skip back, player, sidebar. Okay, yeah. See, guys, this is the real deal with the Bolt.new application. This AI is something else, man. This is really good. Let's see if we can, you know, make it a little bit more dynamic or something. It does looks good, but does it work? No, I think it doesn't. I'm clicking on, but it's not working. So, let's tweak this application a little bit. Let me, give add a few more prompts to it. Let's see if they can accept this and make it more dynamic. Make the album card functional. When I click one, play a demo song and update the button player bar with the song title and artist. This looks good. This should make the application work. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's thinking. Okay, this is the plan. Adding sample data, songs. Okay, while this is happening, let's explore this Bolt site little bit. This is settings, this is code view, this looks good. This is the preview where you can actually see its separate tab. Responsive mode is also there, full screen is also there. Okay. Okay. I think they have completed. Let's see. Uh, my library. Let's say let's play a song. Okay. Oh, okay. When I click on this midnight race, it's actually playing a song. See, guys, you can do it in minutes and hours. This is the new Bolt AI for you guys. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is really good. This Bolt.new. And the best part is you can also, see the code. There is also a database. You can manage the database. They have six albums, songs, rows. You can see all the songs over here. You can also add the songs. You can see. You can also do the authentication. So all in all, it's a complete full stack development like I told you at the start of the video. So yes, guys, what do you think? I've left the link in the description if you want to see me build a full SaaS platform next. Hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what should I build next. Thank you for watching, guys.